Hi, Kirk and Stacy here on location and excited to show you our newest listing at 972 Morgan Road here in West Springfield, Massachusetts.
Welcome home to this lovely West Springfield property. This colonial style home has been completely updated with 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, and ready for you just to move in. Let's go take a look.
Looking for a move-in ready home? This incredible property features a completely updated kitchen with center island, tiled backsplash, stainless steel appliances, and granite countertops.
From the perfect front porch to the unbelievable master suite, nothing has been overlooked.
Main floor features include living room with stone fireplace, laundry room, 2 nicely sized bedrooms, and a full bath.
French doors lead you out back to a generously sized wraparound deck and over an acre of land.
We hope you have enjoyed your personal tour of 972 Morgan Road here in West Springfield, Massachusetts. If you have any questions about this property or would like to schedule a private showing, please contact us at the number below.
Here at the Weingarten team, we believe who you choose to work with matters, and we want to work with you.
For move-in ready, ding dong.
The perfect front. Oh, hold on. I don't know.
For features and
Around deck and oh la 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 la. You looked at me and it totally threw me off.
You are watching a master at work.
that was a good one. That was a good one.